Video marketing is a great way to connect with your customers and promote your products or services. By creating videos, you can show your customers what you do, how you do it, and why it's the best solution for them. You can also create entertaining content that will keep your customers coming back. You can use video marketing to create impressions and drive traffic to your website. You can also use video marketing to create a relationship with your customers and to sell more products or services. You can also use video marketing to create a new audience for your brand. When you create videos, make sure to use the right tools. You can use video editing software to create professional-looking videos. You can also use video hosting services to upload your videos to the web. You can also use video streaming services to share your videos with a wider audience. There are many ways to use video marketing in your strategy of promoting online. Marketing tip 1. You can use video marketing to create a video biography of your business. You can also use video marketing to create video content for your website. You can also use video marketing to create video tutorials. You can also use video marketing to create video marketing campaigns. Make sure to use video as a way to communicate your brand story, build customer engagement, and demonstrate your product or service in an engaging way. Here are some tips for video marketing strategy. Marketing tip 2. Plan your video strategy in advance. Start by identifying and developing ideas for your videos. Think about what story you want to tell, who your target market is, and what type of videos will resonate with them. Once you have a good idea of what you want, start mapping out a production plan. This will help you figure out how much footage you need, where you will shoot it, and who will be responsible for each component of the video. Marketing tip 3. Use video to build customer engagement. Showcase your product or service in a way that customers will find engaging. Use video explainers, how-to tutorials, and entertaining marketing campaigns to keep your customers engaged. Marketing tip 4. Make videos relevant to your audience. Tailor your videos to specific customer segments and make sure that the video content is relevant to their interests. This will help you build engagement and trust with your audience. Marketing tip 5. If you want to make your video marketing strategy more successful, consider incorporating some interactive features into your videos. This could include allowing viewers to vote on video content or responding to viewer questions as part of your videos. This will give you a chance to engage with your audience more deeply, which in turn will help you to build a more loyal following. 86% of customers are more likely to buy from a company they know is video marketing savvy. So, if you want to stay ahead of the competition, make sure you're using video marketing strategies to your advantage. Marketing tip 6. One of the best ways to do this is to create video content that's informative and useful. You can use videos to show customers how your product or service can help them, or you can create videos that highlight your company's unique selling points. You can also create entertaining videos that show your customers why they should choose your business over others. Whatever video marketing strategy you decide on, make sure that you're using creative content that attracts attention. Whether you're creating videos for your website, social media platforms, or marketing materials, make sure that your videos are compelling and easy to understand. And finally, make sure that you're scheduling regular video marketing updates so that your customers know what's new and exciting about your company. Marketing tip 7. Video marketing is truly the future of marketing, and with good reason. People are continuously spending more and more time on their devices, so providing them with quality content that they can enjoy is a key way to keep them coming back. However, creating great video content isn't easy, and there are a lot of different strategies you can use to achieve success. One of the most important things you can do is make sure your video content is relevant to your target audience. If your video is about basketball, for example, make sure that your content is relevant to basketball fans. This means making sure that your video content is high quality, entertaining, and useful. Another important strategy is to make use of video marketing tools. This includes things like video hosting platforms, video creation tools, and video analytics platforms. These platforms make it easy to create and publish videos, track viewer engagement, and monetize your content. Finally, make sure you're constantly innovating and exploring new video marketing strategies. This includes things like creating video content that nobody else is doing, using video to drive conversions, and using video to drive brand awareness. By using these strategies, you can create high-quality, engaging, and profitable video content.